The Bluegears b-Pellucid MicroATX Gaming PC Case stands out with its stunning crystal-clear infinity-tempered glass design, offering an unobstructed view from front to side. This case can accommodate up to 7 fans, providing a massive air cooling effect and allowing gamers to showcase their rigs with impressive ARGB lighting effects. Despite its compact size, the case offers a spacious interior that can fit a graphics processing unit up to 330 millimeters in length, a power supply up to 160 millimeters in depth, and a central processing unit heatsink up to 157 millimeters tall. 2 built-in USB 3.0 ports enhance connectivity, and it supports one 3.5-inch hard disk drive or two 2.5-inch solid-state drives. The case is compatible with both MicroATX and mini-ITX motherboards, making it versatile for various builds. It features removable and washable magnetic and drawer-like dust filters on the top and bottom, ensuring easy maintenance and cleanliness.